Welcome everyone. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change the language you want to learn in the Babbel app on your phone. Whether you're switching from Spanish to French or exploring a new challenge. First, open the Babbel app on your phone. Look toward the top right and tap on the profile icon. Next, from your Profile menu, tap on My Languages. Then, under the section called I Want to Learn, you'll see your current learning language displayed. Tap on it to view a list of available languages offered by Babbel. Finally, choose the new language you want to learn from the list. The app will automatically update your courses and lessons to match your selection, so you can start learning right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.